expression for angles between two lines. So this is one line L1 that is making an angle theta 1 with the x-axis, and this is line L2 which is making an angle theta 2 with the x-axis, and the angle between the two lines is given by theta. Then the angle between the two lines is defined as tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2, where m1 is the slope of line L1 and m2 is the slope of line L2. Find the acute angle between the lines y is equal to 5x plus 6 and y is equal to x. So our L1 is 5x plus 5x minus y is plus 6 is equal to 0, and our L2 is x minus y plus 0 is equal to 0. We will first find the slope of line L1, which is nothing but minus a upon b. So minus 5 upon minus 1, that is 5. And then we find the slope of line L2, which is equal to minus a upon b, that is minus 1 upon minus 1, that is equal to 1. So the acute angle between the lines is given by 5 minus 1 upon 1 plus 5 into 1, that is 4 upon 6, which can be written as 2 upon 3. So our tan theta is 2 upon 3, or theta is tan inverse 2 upon 3. Now, expression for perpendicular distance of a point from a line. If P is the length of the perpendicular from the point P x1 y1 to line AX plus BY plus C is equal to 0, then the perpendicular distance is given by absolute value of AX1 plus BY1 plus C upon square root of A square plus B square. Find the length of the perpendicular from the point 3 minus 2 to the line 4x minus 6y minus 5 is equal to 0. So the point that is given to us is 3 minus 2. So this is our x1, this is our x2. Our line is 4x minus 6y minus 5 is 0. So our A is 4, B is minus 6 and C is minus 5. So now the perpendicular distance is ax1 plus by1 plus c upon square root of a square plus b square. So we substitute the value and we simplify it. On simplifying, we get the perpendicular distance as 19 upon 2 root 3 units. Now distance between two parallel lines. If ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0 are two parallel lines, and if we have to find the distance between them, then it is given by d is equal to absolute value of c2 minus c1 upon square root of a square plus b square. Find the distance between two parallel lines. 3x plus 2y minus 6 is 0 and 6x plus 4y minus 24 is 0. So now here what we can do, we will divide this second equation of the line by 2. So now after dividing, our L2 becomes 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. So on comparing, we can say A is 3, B is 2, our C1 is minus 6 and C2 is minus 12. So the perpendicular distance is C2 minus C1 upon square root of A square plus B square. So minus 12 plus 6 is minus 6 upon root 13. This value is inside the absolute value or the modulus, and therefore it is nothing but 6 upon root 13 units. So the distance between the two parallel lines is 6 upon root 13 units.